So, if you've ever thought about making money online selling stuff you don't use anymore, or even starting a small business, then this is going to help you a lot because today I'm going to show you exactly how to sell on eBay step by step in 2026. And the best part is you don't need experience, you don't need a big investment, and you can start pretty much right away. All right, let's start from the beginning. The first thing you need is your account. Go to eBay, sign up with your email, choose a clean username, and set your password. Nothing complicated here. Just make sure your information is real because you're going to use this. To get paid, once you're in, take a minute to verify your account. Add your phone number, confirm your details. This helps build trust and makes your account look more legit. Now, let's talk about what you're actually going to sell, because this is where most people overthink things. You don't need to start big. Look around your house. There are probably things you don't use anymore. Clothes, electronics, accessories. If they're in good condition, you can sell them. This is the easiest way to get your first sale without spending money. Later on, you can start buying products and reselling them. But for now, keep it simple. Now, let's move to the most important party, or listing. This is where people decide if they trust you and if they want to buy. Start with your title. Think like a buyer. What would you type in the search bar? Be specific, clear, and direct. Instead of saying jacket, say men's black leather jacket, size large. The more details, the better. Next, your photos. This is huge. Bad photos will kill your chances. No matter how good your product is, use good lighting, keep the background clean, and take pictures from different angles. If you can show the product being used, make it feel real. Now, your description, keep it simple and honest. Explain what you are selling, what condition it's in, and anything important. If there's a flaw, mention it. It actually builds trust instead of hurting you. Now, pricing, don't guess. Search for similar items and see what they're selling for. Then price yours competitively. You can choose a fixed price or an auction. If your new fixed price is easier. Now, shipping, decide if you want to offer free shipping or charge for it. Just be clear about delivery times. Faster shipping usually means more sales. All right, once everything looks good, go ahead and publish your listing. Now your product is live. But here's something important most people ignore. Listing your product's just the beginning. You need to pay attention to how it performs. If people are viewing it but not buying, something needs to change. It could be your price, your photo, or your title. Small improvements can make a big difference. Now, let's say you get your first sale. This part matters a lot. Pack your item carefully, ship it as soon as possible. And if you can add tracking, this builds trust and makes you look professional. Also, communicate with your buyer. If they message you, reply quickly and be polite. Good communication can turn one sale into repeat customers. After the sale, you'll start getting reviews. This is huge. Positive feedback helps you grow faster. So always aim to give a good experience. Now, once you get comfortable, you can start scaling. Add more products, test different prices, improve your listings. That's how you grow, not by doing everything at once, but by improving step by step. Now, let me save you some time and go over common mistakes using bad photos, writing vague titles, ignoring messages, and pricing too high. Avoid these, and you're already ahead of most beginners. Can you actually make money on eBay in 2026? Yes, absolutely, but you have to treat it like a real process, not a shortcut. Stay consistent, keep learning, and keep improving, and over time, this can turn into a real income stream. And that's exactly how to sell on eBay step by step in 2026.